How to register a new business and save money in the process. So many entrepreneurs and startup owners decide to register their business at some point. While some hire an attorney or a CPA to do the service, others Google search for terms like how to register a business. If you've done a similar search before, you most likely have seen companies like LegalZoom and others offering business registration services online. These services are for a fee, and the fee can be as high as $400. Good sites will generally offer you at least the following 4 items for your money. 1, state registration with whatever state you decide to register your business with. 2, articles of incorporation or organization, as well as bylaws and operating agreement, depending on whether you're registering a corporation or an LLC or a partnership. 3, employee identification or EIN filing application with the IRS. And then 4, if applicable, any local business licensing that may be required for your business. Many startups, however, are often strapped for cash, especially at the early stages. And the problem is because they just don't have enough sales transactions in their pipeline and just not enough revenue coming in through the door. And naturally, every expense is scrutinized by the owners, and even $400 can be pretty material. So if you are one of those businesses, you're in luck, because today I'm going to tell you and show you how you can register a new business with minimum expense. While we will focus on the state of Oregon today because our accounting practice, Perpetual CPA, is based in Portland, Oregon. The technique can be applied pretty much in any other state because the process should be very, very similar. So firstly, you will need to register your business with your state's Secretary of State's agency. It is worthwhile to note that sometimes businesses elect to register their business in a different state that's more tax advantageous, such as Delaware or Wyoming. But you should keep in mind that if you intend to do business in another state, say your home state, your business might be subject to the local income taxes, sales taxes, and or excise taxes. On top of that, some states may require you to register your business as a foreign entity or a foreign corporation. So this way you'll end up basically doing 2 registrations. So to start, open Google search and enter Oregon Secretary of State. And as you can see, the needed results pop up right at the top of the page. Then you can select Register a Business, which will take you straight to the site. And there you can pick either to file online or file a paper form. In addition, Secretary of State registries generally have more information about different types of entities and assumed business names that you can register for. It will also have information on the fees. So in case of Oregon, expect to pay $100 to register an LLC or a corporation. Also, if you file online, registration generally takes about 1 day to process, with paper forms can take up to 3 weeks. Most Secretary of State registries will generate articles of incorporation or articles of organization for a new corporation or an LLC or partnership. However, you can do a simple Google search and compile your own bylaws or operating agreement, which will work at the early stages. But definitely once your business starts generating enough revenue where you can afford professional services, consider hiring an attorney who can help you customize those documents specifically for your business. EIN, or Employee Identification Number, is generally required if your business employs workers or is planning to employ workers in the future. However, even if it's just you and your business, it might be a good idea to apply for an EIN because you don't have to use your social security number in business matters, and then you can just use your employee identification number instead. So EIN application is fairly simple and it's free to apply. To apply for an EIN, navigate to irs.gov in your browser. Then on the main page, click on employer ID number, EIN. On the next page, read the information if you want to know more, or click apply for an EIN online. Then follow the simple 1, 2, 3 steps and click apply online now. Lastly, let's do a search for local business registration, in our case Portland, Oregon. In our search results, generally we'll look for the government website for the whatever municipality we're working with, and we'll either have services or business tab. Let's try business, and the link for business registration is generally right on the front page. In this case, it's register your business with the Revenue Bureau. So click on that. You can do a lot of different things, search a business, but generally you should be able to find business registration forms in there. Click on that, it'll take you straight to the online fillable form where you can see register a new business. And then on top of that, you also find out that you also have county registration requirements and city registration requirements, which you can both do with one form, which is pretty convenient. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, consider sharing it with others who might find it useful. Keep on keeping on, and we'll see you next time.